In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rainbow crops and plants in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So, as you know, the rainbow crops and plants are, as of right now, the rarest form of plants and crops you can get inside the game, and obtaining them is quite hard. Now, I'm going to show you the best method, in my opinion, to actually get these. So, really quickly, let me just sell my inventory. There we go. Now, what you want to do to get them, the easiest way is to just open up the shop on the left and see the Forever Pack. Now, inside the Forever Pack, sometimes, like me right now, you'll actually have a Super Seed. And then once you plant this Super Seed, you have a chance, not a chance, you are basically guaranteed to get either a golden or a rainbow crop or plant. So, basically, it's going to give you a rainbow seed, and then once you plant down that rainbow seed, you will essentially be able to get a rainbow plant, okay? And that rainbow plant will have a significantly higher chance to actually give you a rainbow plants, which can of course sell for a lot of money, or these in-game shekels over here. So that's actually the best way to get it. However, if you just want rainbow plants and not, like fruits and vegetables, and not like the whole trees or stuff like that, you can just get them by just harvesting stuff. So they can randomly occur. So if I just harvest all of these strawberries over here and sell them, eventually what's gonna happen is new ones are gonna grow, and some of them are likely gonna be rainbow, because of course if you have a lot of crops, the chances of you actually getting a rainbow one will increase, because you will be able to get a bit more lucky. Now that's basically the best way. That's how to get rainbow crops and plants in Grow a Garden. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.